वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगैन। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं एक ग्लैम लुक क्रिएट करूंगी। येस यू कैन, ये ग्लैम लुक आप कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हो एंड मैंने इसमें बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज किया है। सो येस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वीडियो। Watching this video, and if you like the video then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And this was the look which I created just with very few things, and it's a really glam look. You can go for a party, you can go for wedding seasons are arriving. So yes, so this was the look, and in my next video I will be giving some looks regarding to hairs and also with jewelry sets too. And for more hair videos, just go and follow to my Instagram, and there you will be getting many more hair tutorials which I regularly give on. So yeah, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And the products which I've used I will be giving in the description, and go through it. And yeah, bye bye.